Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai I30 Active Hatch, stock reference number 4364. This shape runs from the third month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand driving light, left-hand driving light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, so does the right front door. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, auto fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.